guys, so I'm here. So this part is kind of self-explanatory. I basically, this is like from the second row on, I used more hair and then I just left a strand outside. And what I did was I alternated each braid. So one braid I left one piece out, the other one I didn't, and then for the next one I did, etc, etc. But yeah, as you can see, it's just kind of self-explanatory, but I just thought I'd pop in and say hi. Hi guys, I'm back again. So this part took quite a while because, well, we had to brush each strand and also the bottom, and then we had to curl each piece with the curling rubber. So yeah, it took a bit, but eventually we were able to get it done. What I'll say is I tried to put some mousse in the boiled water because I've seen someone do it, but I'm not sure if that made the curls more resistant, like the hair more resistant to curls. So I don't think it's something that I will do next time. But overall, you know, we're able to get this part done. But yes, it took a bit of time. So yeah, guess it's a goodbye because the final result is coming. Bye. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So